Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert and get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, consultations, uh, if you want to do that as well, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As we know, I told you guys, red alarms everywhere. The market was about to tank. I told you guys, in yesterday's video, you know your boy, hey, I always got you guys prepared. So you should never be out here, man, what in the world? What in the world? I ain't see that coming. Because we're going to always see it coming. Always. The feds, the gov, I know y'all be checking out these videos. Or maybe y'all don't. Not yet. But once we got like tens of thousands of people making money, I'm pretty sure they're going to be peeping in. Like, man, we got to do the opposite, whatever this guy talking about. But let's go and look at this video yesterday, 20 hours ago. What they say right there? I put it in the comments because I ended up making this video and I realized I was like, dang, I ain't even say what I really needed to say. And I was just like, I would sell all short-term positions ASAP and get the keywords I use, short-term position. I mean, if you're holding something long-term, you know it's going to do well. There really no point in selling it off of one-day panic, right? But if you're in a position short-term, you know you're trying to get out of this with a profit. I just saved the hell out of you. Everything dropped. Carvana, Tesla. If you knew that information about puts, you made money. And if you didn't buy put something, you save money. So it's just like, man, that's beautiful. But anyways, I would sell all short-term positions ASAP. Like this guy know what he knew something. He got a phone call. Major sell-off will happen soon. I'm in cash position. If hold anything, it'll be small. I wouldn't even be worried what it do, right? So just like that, what happened the next morning? Hayes called it. Boom. Also, VIP, we went crazy. The day before yesterday, made $5,000 on Tesla. The whole VIP, we made nearly together $50,000 together on Tesla puts. The next day, made $1,500 on it. And then the day, so that's like 6,000, 7,000. Then the day we made 3,000. That's crazy, guys. Let's go and take a look at it. I hate to just say we did this, we did that. Look, sold Tesla, 1,100. I sold some. I sold a portion of it right there. And then I sold the rest at 2,000 as it went down some more. Boom. A lot of people in VIP did that thing, this, that, and third, blase, whoop, whoop. So we go and take a look at it, guys. We know Apple stock got downgraded as well. We know the Feds is still going to be aggressive with hiking interest rates to tame inflation. That's going to put a trigger on the market. I told you guys, there's multiple things, all that adding up. Hayes done prepared you. Got Bitcoin coming down. Markets closed sharply as bank stocks take a beating. Fear overlooked Wall Street Thursday after SVB Financial Group, a bank that lends primarily to tech companies, told investors it had to sell $1.7 billion in shares at a loss in order to cover rapidly declining customer deposits. That's crazy, guys. So that's some fear. These banks right here putting out stuff like that. I'm thinking, yeah, a crash is about to happen. Another crash is about to happen. I'm already on game, guys. And even if we see a crazy bullish moment before it happens, I do believe things are about to get rough again. But we not tripping. I'm good. And we excited because we already know what to do now. We buying puts. Like, if we were being on this puts, man, in 2022, we would have already been rich, man. Come on, man. Stop playing. But that trigger losses across the banking sector and concern that the Federal Reserve interest rate hikes are preventing banks from raising capital. So if we're going to take a look, guys, at some individual securities, see what's going on over here. Got Tesla. Someone had commented in VIP and was like, dang, you should have held or whatnot. And I sold it at the exact bottom dang near. At the first sell-off, I ain't sell it at the exact bottom. I sold like $1 before. And then it came down to what, 169 or 168. I ended up selling more at 168. And it's supposed to came down to 166, right? But if you try to wait for 166 and didn't sell at 168, you end up losing all your buys, shooting up to 176, 177. Wow, you lost. You actually lost the bread. Like, and if now you like praying and hoping it come back down when I already sold and not being greedy for my gains. You get what I'm saying? Because this morning, I was up 1,000 in Tesla, but this morning when it opened up like it did, all the gains was gone, and I waited for it to drop. And if they were smart, the market was smart, it would have shot it up a bit more, because that would have made me get out. I would have definitely got out. So it ain't supposed to do. It ain't supposed to do that theoretically. That's how the market is. But just saying, if they really want to scare Hayes in the morning, they should let Tesla run like the 180 and then bring it out to sold. I probably would have sold. Or then again, I probably wouldn't, because I knew it was fake. And at that point, my intrinsic value would have decreased in time decay from the last day. It would have been about worthless anyway. So I might have would have held, and it would end up being the same. So just sharing my thought process, my all that good stuff. You guys to soak it up, suck it in. But you already know, guys, as well as AMC sitting at 550. AMC will have its time to shine. Like I said, I made a video about that yesterday, stating my opinion on what it possibly would do prior to this reverse stock split. Everything that's going on with that. You know, Adam Aron, he's so on got the feds looking into New York Stock Exchange, and the feds looking into naked shorting for AMC. Like, I'm tired of hearing that. Like, they been knew that was going on. Like, what's new? So you already know, guys, what to do though. Add your boy on Instagram at BHayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all.